I think he knows that I am not after these positions that people clamor for, and perhaps that's why he would rather take care of his political interests of balancing here and there. And I remain a freedom fighter, and I admire him.
I would advise him to have another. Yeah. Is it needed? The question is it needed?
It is needed. But maybe it's the wrong person. Yagamba shoot.
Tell me. Has Kenya yagandi Museveni ajja kufuga emyaka 10. Nimbaga vuma emyaka 10 tegiri kiringa omwana akabira amata baby nomugati bamuwe ekidomola. That's a casting. But early to win to say that Museveni should help us. Bamubuza ekibuuzo. What are you going to advise the president to ensure, even if he says I'm going to help him to prepare another
transition of power?
Yes. If even me.
Fenna tukyagala
nange nkugamba nti Museveni ze kyemulabamu is in a position okuba buli ensi yonna erina eyagitandika. Uganda didn't have a founding father. Obote balwalirawo n'emmengo tetwafunamu kyobala tufunye Idi Amin tufunye ba Okero tufunye baani kakati Katonda n'atuyamba. We went back to the foundation. Museveni has laid a strong foundation for this country, so is capable. What do we want to see? We want to see nti Washington yalwanira America naye yavaawo. Kenyatta yalwanira Kenya ne bamusiba. Mugabe n'alwanira Kenya is egundi. Mugabe we yajjira. Kakati waliwo we biremera awo. Kakati President Museveni y'omukisa gwafunye nti ali mu position kufuloowa endala. Yes. That's what I'm saying. Nti amajiruli luyakyusa General Salim Saleh okubujja Mwame Kamanda. People went back and withdrew money from the banks. Nga balowooza gavumenti egere kuba binayisa gavumenti nevaako. So it is stability. I'm seeing stability. Nti woman bamuleeta akazi bwe yajja vice ono najja kakati kijja kutukakisa nga tekikyali excitement. First woman president, first bigenze mugwawo, first minister from this tribe, first minister from bigende,
first prime minister woman,
and bigende mugwawo. Kubanga a president, a successful revolution demystifies institutions and arrogant individuals. I'm seeing a successful revolution. Bino byonna ebituyombe sente kuzibba kukola ki? Because abazibba ate bo tebalabibwa. Ababbi kakati nkoye kumwebaze yali nelegako bwajja ku programu yange bwe muyinsa naye agenda kutemba nnyonyi. Katonda yamubonereza tumwebaza agenda kutemba nnyonyi. Mulinda agenda kutemba nnyonyi. Ekyokolyo
bamuwadde ekifo kye bamuwadde ekyoli Minister of Nzige
nande nkobolidde eyo wasale bamutwala munyigayo kitoliro talinayo
bajja munyiga
nyeze nkubulidde tumwebaze namukolimira Ludayi in European Jails
wangise
tumwebaze Ludayi in European Jails zifu izotira ujja kujja program
go chali safe
ngambaraga bwinti nembara
ICC tekwogeranga nako.
Yes tuyina abantu 15 ICC beyagala
mirundi talimu
organic case ate babadde bategese negundi nolanya ti the first bills zebaleeta mulimu ebyo erya organisi mbu bali bagambe nti mu Uganda bikkirizibwa mwabikola tebinakkirizibwa. 115 people have been indicted. They are going to Hague. 72 of your doctors are going to Hague for illegally extracting a human organism. So most of these people who are fighting me, God has punished them, they will die in European jails. At least they were so new. Kakati febyo bituluma. Tibazimbye amayumba, bazimbye ebizimbe bakoze eki. Naye tebalabwa tebajja kwogera. These people don't come. They are hiding. People don't know them. Bo balowooza nti ate fe tubikola fe tubifunyemu. What have I got? Ndagala mumbuli. Mu gavumenti ya Museveni nfunyemu ki?
Bakwadde moto.
Anti eriwa yako miliyoni zina sobola kwegulira motoka yange. Bakusasira bajjajja ne babawa. What are you talking about? Kiki banfuniddemu? Is only
obakubidde mudomo
kubulidde nze profile yange yerinnya. Profile yange erinnya. Tigwe kwata ku programu yange tunakubamu. Beba muterebo ne bwoteri bwe bankwase. Olaba omuntu yavuddeyo n'ayogera n'agamba nti obw'obutambi si bwange ani yagambye wani yagenti bubu nenga tasobola genda kwa Lubindi genda kulijako pro ajekimba mpe bamutte n'abamaje. That's what where I am.
That is true. You are very strong.
Very strong. Agezikajjokimu bamutwe gwase ne hoteli bazota tesijogera nabo. I never talk to these people. Kunsi mukabulire muko.
Temuja kusinkaga.
Tulibera kukiriziganya nakyo. I've made a loss for 8 years. My family has suffered. Bayagala bankoze bagadde banzite bakole kitu tuliddamu.
Obonye obutwa.
Siriddamu kola nabo. Naye if they are not lucky, they will end up with serving long jails in European prisons. That is the example. Nti bira byonna encourage people to talk. Yes, kubanga tumwine ayinza okubanga naye it has dawned on him. Omanyi Museveni ali bwati nti Museveni asooka nakozesa n'ojoka abalala kati bwekikutuukako n'olabalirali nti Mbabazi byeyogeranga Mbabazi yatukoga nti is it bad for me to have presidential ambitions? Ngati yabonyabonyanga Besigye bidandisa lyabuuzanga nti owa Besigye ayogeredde mu Rongo Forum. Whatever Besigye says, we all know it. But in which forum has he said?
To give him my genuine support and advice.
Analyze him or her according to the situation in which a Kenya Chibachi bateka ngachali vice president bateka wakachiko nga naye kwali to go back to Mariti Party. Chibachi yagamba to those who think that they can remove Kanu from power, they are dead dreamers. They are like a man who is a razor bullet to cut a mugume tree. Mahogany. What happened? Because at that time he was the vice president, he had to defend the government position. What happened to him? When he was dropped, he was humiliated by Moi. He was the first person to form a party. So we look at these systems. Maybe at that time, let me tell you, Tumwine was summoned by party and the Kaka to appear for parliament on accusations that were abusing safe housing. They refused to go to parliament. At that time, Kaka believed that he was very strong. Look, Museveni appoints him ambassador. He fails to go because he could not appear before the same cabinet at 55. Who knew that Kakati Kada, having been a speaker for all of these years, but Nabagama to Mulete once you are vetted, you cannot be voted again. Kakati Kadaga had to be vetted to go before a committee divided. That's politics. It's politics. Politics what? Nobody who is tall enough to see the future. So for me what I say, let us analyze what somebody says depending on some circumstances, not what he said yesterday. Analyze what has made this man, this person, to see things differently. Maybe he never knew. Kakati enoli sokola be Kayihura yayola banne mu gavu nayola bamuwezi nayola banne nabatekerezera bamukola. Yes. Did he realize that one day will face a court martial?
Now sometimes they don't remember that there is tomorrow.
Until he was doing what he was supposed to do. People say that I was abusing people. Yes, I was doing my work as a presidential press secretary, as a presidential spokesperson. He even has a spokesperson today. Wabanga ekitegeeza judge me a hangerman is not a murderer. Yes, a hangerman is a judge when he does his work to hunger people, brought people before him. Teri muzimu kukuba hangerman. Naye hangerman bwatta mukazi we olwo hangerman yabaziza omusango. Kakati tumukunde yagenda nga mesa security naddira mu lukungana lwa Mbabazi public rally nalusulamu helicopter abantu basaasana. Naye yalabikibwako nga naye atuka bamunoonya omukwata. Yes, kakati Luli yali alwanirira gavumenti. Luli yali alwanirira Kenya waliwo omusajja yali akulya Magomera. Nebamugamba nti reduce your budget mu prison yali musantana yali akulya Magomera. Yali akulya Magomera head of prisons. Naga nti mugimu omunyu ne sukali hiyo si nyumba yako. Waite banga tu n'avaamu ne bamubona n'okubba sseeri ne bamugoba ne bamusibayo agenda okutuuka n'afuuza nga temuli munyumu ate sigwa gwera mu prison head hiyo si nyumba yako. Kakati we must avoid the two things, otherwise mujjagana abantu okukola emirimu gyabwe. Abantu bakola emirimu gyabwe. You make a statement to defend your government. Kakati if we don't reward these people ababayiirawo emibiri kubanga you are encouraging okujooga abantu tibwe tumala omujooga na bano batumwebaze kye baaliko. Let us incite abaganda nti akuma nalweso nolwiso yani amubikonsiringa nabo njagala bafe nakyo mu bulamu bwabwe. Kakati nkugamba nti toyinza kugamba nti at that time kakati tugeze abasajja wano eggwanga tulina abanyarwanda tulina abanya. If Uganda went to war with Rwanda, no, nga omunyarwanda ali kumanyika Uganda na netulwana ne Rwanda wajja wa government negoba abanyarwanda ne batayo. We would fair with the government of Rwanda to remind this man tibwali mu Uganda wali otukuba. He was a soldier of Uganda at that time. Yes. So fwe tuba tukolera bwe mutya ngunde mugana okwogera tuba tukolera balabe batumwine. Kati tumwine alabye omusana, tumwine alokose mu byobufuzi, has seen that being in the government is transitional.
Choliko kakati yafunye endowooza yagamba gavumenti
tumwine abuuza n'agamba
obaze ku
ati tumwine kati kyaki okimanyi tumwine atya engeri gyenakola bino byonna nesestatement zembadde nkola singa wajjawo violence government
yasooka ogenda
sifiira mu gundi musefawo
nadde eriiso lyokubye bali kubamu ekyasi.
kakati kyavaaga nti banna tuteekewo embeera kuba kati tekyalina security. Tuteekewo embeera nga ne bwe tuva mu gavumenti
tube
seefu era ekyo ekintu buli ekingamba mukisa muntu
atandise okweberera.
This is what I respect about mukisa muntu. 10 years ago mukisa muntu yali teteeka mu parliament nti baleete nonapitu nti MPs should not be ministers. I attacked them as I usually do. Never the highest trophy to any MP is to be minister. Even if you say it does not check the corruption in Kenya, they did it. Call them ministers, call them secretaries, they remain the same. Erinya sidi eripa. Kakati mukisa muntu nampita nangamba. Kina yegwe you attacked me here. I wish I had the money. I would have taken you to Western Nile, where you would see people, former minister generals, now selling roasted brandy nuts. Yes. Abantu bajja kuba kati bawangadde. Eno ye gavumenti yokka we batayize bantu. Eno ye gavumenti gye batanayigga. That's why nange ezikigana eri tumwine
babayigga munnange batwala kiro.
And we should encourage the president to have an orderly succession. Yes, in emyaka gino etaano bemeka to have that is a suggestion. Nti Tanzania kyama kya mapinduzi tebatukangako naye abakanu gavumenti bwe yavaako baabayigga. Gundi yali kyamaze wa Kanu Uhuru Kenyatta ne bumubuuza olwaleero nti Kanu kitegeeza ki kati wa Jubilee Kanu ewunya naye bano be baakubyanga amayinja bo bali mu kkomera bo bawukulu badduka. This is situation I'm seeing nti nze sinza kudda mu gavumenti kati kubakolera.
And thank him as my teacher, my mentor, my leader and my hero. I will continue